The topic of today's video is how to solve a blank screen problem after installing or updating your graphics driver. Now, I don't know if AMD or Intel have this problem, but nvidia definitely does. So the first thing that we want to do is we are going to switch off our computer and then we are going to restart it 3 times. Now, what you will see is your motherboard startup screen when you restart your PC, and every time the motherboard startup screen comes up, that's when you hit restart again. Do this 3 times, and on the 3rd time, Windows will just be like, what the hell is going on, and bring you to this blue screen here. Alright, so here on the blue screen, what we want to do is go to troubleshoot. From troubleshoot, we want to go to advanced options. In advanced options, we want to go to startup settings. And in startup settings, we want to press F5 to enable safe mode with networking. Now you should have your screen visible when the PC boots up and should be in safe mode. It'll say safe mode in the corner. And now what we want to do is go to the start button, right click on that, go to device manager, look for display adapters and click on the little arrow next to it. Right click on nvidia or whatever your graphics card is. And then what we're going to do is click on uninstall device. We're going to click attempt to remove the driver for this device and we'll hit uninstall. From there, I believe it is going to restart your PC again. And once that's done, you want to go into your driver app. So for me, it'll be the nvidia app. I know AMD has something that I can't remember what it was called. I think it's Adrenaline, and Intel should have something similar. And these apps are just going to tell you whether there's a driver available to install. Obviously there will be, and then you can just reinstall or install the brand new driver, and hopefully you don't have problems this time. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.